Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!